We have RD-180 ignition and liftoff. Liftoff of the United Launch Alliance 8F SPC-5 payload with the Atlas V launch vehicle for the United States Air Force.
Vehicle disturbances are as expected. Coming up on 50 seconds into the mission, everything looks good. Flight controls right down the middle, seeing normal disturbances for atmospheric flight. Body rates are smoothing out. Engine operating parameters continue to look good. Right at 95% rated thrust. 20 seconds to enabling steering. Vehicle's flying normally. Engine's operating good. And we're proceeding right down the center of the range track, right as expected.